Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to fleet Twitter app. But before I begin, I'd like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting an Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime trial subscription link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to fleet Twitter app. First, we'll start by opening up your Twitter app. Once you arrive on this main screen right here, look on the upper left where it says add, with the where you're gonna see like the blue circle, also with the camera inside the circle right there. That's right there. Can you guys see I'm tapping there? Yeah. So within that, make sure that you just tap it once. Then you're gonna say here, share a fleeting thought. I'm gonna say it's great to be alive. And you can put it with your emoji. I mean, once you're done like putting any thought right there, you can just tap there. It's great to be alive. I mean, let me just go back a little bit. So right here you have like a lot of apps to do like a videos or you can do a text. So with the fleeting, it just give like opportunity to do whatever that you want. And once you've done that, I'm gonna just put like I thought it's great to be alive. So once you've done that, make sure that you tap where it says done on the bottom right hand corner right there. So just tap done right there. So it's gonna be right there. Once you're done, look on the upper right hand corner where it says fleet right there. So make sure that you tap there once you're done like tapping what you want to share. Once you finish that, you're gonna say like posting right there, and it's already posted. And that's how you fleet Twitter app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in comment section below, and don't forget to check the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.